The slide into anarchy in the Central African Republic is raising serious concerns from the international community. And now, the country's interim president is seeking to stem the lawlessness tide. He now says he will renew a curfew in the capital Bangui, during which patrols will be stepped up and people wearing uniform or carrying weapons at night will be disarmed by force if necessary. Speaking in a meeting with civic leaders, Michel Djotodia said that exceptional measures have been taken to provide security in the poor landlocked country where communal and religious violence has been on the rise. In Bangui, murders have been blamed on ex-rebels of the Seleka coalition led by Djotodia before he dissolved it after toppling President Francois Bozize, who ruled for a decade. Violence in the city culminated on the November 17th with the murder of a leading judge who was gunned down by former Seleka forces, provoking clashes in which 2 civilians died. Since Bozize was ousted by the Seleka, the nation of 5 million people has lived in a climate of insecurity. The situation on Monday led UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon to envisage sending 6,000 UN peacekeeping troops to the country, where a regional African force of 2,500 men is currently in place. In some regions, the violence has taken the nature of religious strife between Muslims, a minority, who make up much of the Seleka, and Christians, who account for about 80% of the population.